Now, the Bible let us to know if you're a kind of person, if you're a Christian like me, myself, my humble self, I am a Christian and I love Jesus Christ. I believe in Jesus Christ. I study the Word of God and I found out that the Bible let us know that my people perish because of lack of knowledge. Now, so many people make so much money in the forex market because they have a lot of knowledge and a lot of personal knowledge about the forex market. So, in today, I'm going to give you guys, sharing with you guys some basic knowledge you need to know. If you want to make all those monies in the forex market, there are some basic knowledge you need, some basic knowledge you need to know about forex. That is what I will be sharing with you guys in this video. In this video, we'll be talking about candlestick, basic patterns of candlestick. We'll not be talking about those higher advanced patterns that like Morningstar, Doji candle. No. So if you understand candlestick patterns, it will really help you in your trading career. It will help you. The big guys, the millionaire forex traders, the billionaire forex traders, they know this because when you trade in a good way, you understand how the market works, what the market is telling you. The market will tell you what it wants to do with candlestick patterns. And why will you not know it if you don't want to learn it? So please watch this video to the very end, and also do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that we can grow this channel together, and do well to share this channel to your friends out there to know about forex. You guys know how forex can change your life. Believe forex can really change your life for good. I have experienced it and it has worked for me over the years. Forex trading works. You just have to keep on learning, keep on trading, and keep on believing in yourself, and keep on praying to God as well. God is the one that has the supernatural power, right? So forex can really change your life, and if you want to know about forex, you got to learn. You need to know the basic knowledge, the basic ideas, some basic things you just need to know. Put yourself, know your way around forex, and you'll be good to go. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys some basic candlestick patterns you need to know in order to trade the forex market. Over here, we'll be looking at this one called the bullish engulfing candle and the bearish engulfing candle. That's the first candlestick pattern you need is this bullish engulfing number one, and this bearish engulfing candle. So the bullish engulfing candle is the green candle. You can see the high, you can see the close. Let me just highlight it for you. You can see the high, you can see the low, you can see the body of the candlestick, you can see the upper shadow, you can see the lower shadow, you can see the open of the candlestick, you can see the close of the candlestick. Meaning if this candlestick wants to open, it will open from here all the way to the upside, and it will close here. The other one over here, the red one, is called the bearish engulfing candle. So the bullish candle is for the green. When the bullish candles are printing, you guys will now start seeing the price moving to the upside. I will show you this thing on TradingView right now on this video, so do not skip this video. If you want to see this thing happen in real life, watch this video. And if you want to know how to make money from these things happening, also watch this video right now. You only make those millions in trading when you understand what the market is telling you. The market will tell you what it wants to do with candlesticks. So how do you understand what the market will tell you? If you want to sell, if you want to buy, how do you understand it? That is what I will be explaining in this video, how to understand candlestick pattern. When you see this candlestick, you know that aha, this wants to happen. When you see that candlestick, you know that aha, this wants to happen. So the other one right here we have here, let me remove all these drawings on the screen so you will not get confused. The other one here, let me just put it on red. The red candlestick is called the bearish engulfing candle. You can see the name bearish. The blue one is called the bullish. The red one is called the bearish. This red one just simply means that the sellers are in the market. Whenever you see red candlestick start trading all the way to the downside, you see that sellers are taking the price downward. Don't be confused. It's very easy. Watch this video again. You understand what I'm telling you. The sellers are taking the price downward. If you are seeing green candlesticks, you'll be seeing something like this. Buyers will be taking the chart all the way to the upside. But if you are seeing something like this, red stands for sellers, green stands for buyers. So you now start seeing something like this going to the downside. Don't worry, I will show you all these things on TradingView. You will not get confused. You understand them, right? So that is it. So after that, we'll talk about the open. The open of the candle is from here. The close is on there. You can see the highlight it right here. Then this is the body of the candle. This is the low. This is the high. So This is it. The red candle signifies that the sellers are taking the price to the downside, while the green candle signifies that the buyers are taking the candles to the upside, the price. So you make money when this price moves. You make money in forex when the forex market trends. When this price movement, you are trading the rate at which the price being exchanged, at which the price are being moved. So when its price moves, you make money from those movements that it makes. When you put in your money, you press your buy button or you press your sell button. If you are correct in the direction the market goes to, you will profit from it. So that is for buyers and sellers. So right now we'll start looking at we'll quickly look at the other chart patterns that we have right here. We have the bullish engulfing, the bearish engulfing candle. Over here, you can see some candlestick patterns that you can see understand. We have normal or basic candlesticks for bullish. If I can zoom this thing out, sorry, if I zoom this thing out, you see it. It says bullish. What do I talk about bullish? Bullish is for the buyers, meaning the buyers are taking the price upward. You can see the hammer, inverted hammer, bullish three line strike, bullish engulfing. What does a bullish engulfing candle mean? It means that a green candle will be bigger than the next candle that is beside it. You can see all these things that are happening here. You will see them on trading view. You see them every day on the forex market. This is a bullish engulfing candle right here. Sorry, a bullish engulfing candle right here. You can see how bullish engulfing candle works. It said bullish engulfing, meaning the green candle will totally engulf the red candle. Over here, you have under the bearish, you can see it's red. Bearish means the sellers are taking the price to the downside. For example, the price wants to go down. When the price is going down, you start seeing red candles. So this is just basic knowledge about forex. You start seeing red candles printing downward. That tells you that okay, the sellers are in the market. They are bringing the price down. In that case, you start seeing all these kind of chart patterns. You start seeing red candles, red candle engulfing the green candle. Massive red candles will be printing on the charts, on the forex chart, right? So that is it for basic candlestick patterns. You can just go over now to Google and search for other patterns. They are everywhere on the internet, right? You will see the candlestick patterns, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, doji star, double bottom, double top. All these things happen when the forex market trends. You see all these things. So this is how the forex market will tell you. When you see a bullish engulfing candle at a particular point, you know that okay, this wants to happen. When you see a bearish engulfing candle at a particular point, you know that okay, this was to happen. So just have this at the back of your mind that bearish will signify sellers, bullish signifies buyers. Whenever you see bearish, you start seeing red candlesticks printing. Whenever you see bullish, you start you see green candles printing. Whenever you see bullish, you start seeing red candles, meaning that signifies what the buyers and sellers are doing. Now let's look at it at trading view so you can understand what I was talking about. Over here on trading view, you can see a clear example of a bearish engulfing candle right here. What did I say? I said whenever you see a bearish engulfing candle like this one right here, you know that the sellers wants to take the price downward. What happened after this bearish engulfing candle came? The price pushed a little bit down. So you see another perfect example of a bullish engulfing candle is this one right here. Right here, I said when bullish is for the green, meaning the price wants to go upward. You can see the price went from here all the way to the upside. The price went from 22 to 225, so it increased. That is what this candle tells you. So you see bullish engulfing candle tells you that okay, this price wants to push up to the upside. After this green candle that formed, right, what happened? Another candlestick came, then another candlestick came. It came down a little bit, then another bullish engulfing candle came, green. That tells you that it's time to start buying. As soon as you hit your position right here, you put your stop loss a little bit lower and your take profit a little bit higher, then you start seeing the market pushing all the way to your predicted direction. So you see the power of bullish and engulfing candle, the power of bearish and engulfing candle. Just go over and download TradingView. It's on Play Store. TradingView, open an account with them. look at those candlestick charts that are there so you can understand all these things in real life. Practice it and know your way around in them. Don't give up on Forex. Forex can really turn your life around. Now, if you find any values in this video, please do well to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. In the case of sellers, it's the same thing. You can see right here we have a bearish engulfing candle. I told you bearish engulfing is for the sellers. You can see right here we have this bearish engulfing candle red. That is the price wants to come down. After then, what happened? The price came down for a few pips. So if you sell around somewhere here from this distance to this distance, you would have made some money. Probably if you are selling with a 10 lot size, sorry, 1 lot size. If it was 10 pips, 1 lot size would like give you about $100. If it's 0.1 lot size, it will give you about $10. So you see how the money comes. The money comes from the movement that we trade. And when you want to trade, you look for a good broker to trade on, to create an account with them. Those brokers will be what will give you the assets, the access to those assets that you trade, like Euro USD, Bitcoin, and other type of assets. So please do well to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I will see you guys in the next video. Do well to leave a good comment and also like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a nice comment. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to see you guys next. This is Praiseman FS signing out. Take it easy, guys, and peace out.